Welcome to WGU Prep YouTube channel. Access all practice questions. Healthcare research and statistics. Practice questions with answers. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of statistics in healthcare research? A. Improve medical equipment. B. Analyze health data. C. Reduce hospital staffing. D. Increase patient admissions. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Analyze health data. Explanation. Statistics in healthcare research are used to collect, organize, analyze, and interpret health data. This helps researchers identify trends, evaluate treatments, and make evidence-based healthcare decisions. Question 2. What does a sample represent in healthcare research? A. Entire population. B. Medical equipment group. C. Subset of population. D. Hospital staff group. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Subset of population. Explanation. A sample is a smaller group selected from a larger population. Researchers study the sample to make conclusions about the larger population in a more efficient and practical way. Question 3. What type of research study observes participants without intervention? A. Experimental study. B. Observational study. C. Clinical trial. D. Laboratory study. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Observational study. Explanation. Observational studies involve monitoring participants and collecting data without manipulating variables. Researchers simply observe outcomes and relationships between variables. Question 4. What does the mean represent in statistics? A. Middle value. B. Most frequent value. C. Average value. D. Total value. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Average value. Explanation. The mean is calculated by adding all values in a dataset and dividing by the number of values. It represents the average and is commonly used to summarize numerical data. Question 5. What statistical measure identifies the middle value in a dataset? A. Median. B. Mean. C. Mode. D. Range. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Median. Explanation. The median is the middle value in an ordered dataset. It is useful when data contain extreme values because it is less affected by outliers than the mean. Question 6. What is the purpose of a hypothesis in research? A. Predict research outcomes. B. Collect medical records. C. Increase patient visits. D. Improve laboratory equipment. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is A. Predict research outcomes. Explanation. A hypothesis is a testable statement that predicts the relationship between variables. Researchers test hypotheses through data collection and statistical analysis. Question 7. What does a correlation indicate in research? A. Cause and effect. B. Relationship between variables. C. Statistical error. D. Random measurement. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Relationship between variables. Explanation. Correlation measures the strength and direction of a relationship between two variables. It does not necessarily indicate causation. Question 8. What does a p-value help determine in research? A. Sample size. B. Data accuracy. C. Statistical significance. D. Measurement units. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is C. Statistical significance. Explanation. A p-value helps determine whether research results are statistically significant or occurred by chance. Smaller p-values indicate stronger evidence against the null hypothesis. Question 9. What is the purpose of data visualization in healthcare research? A. Reduce research funding. B. Simplify data interpretation. C. Increase patient treatment. D. Replace statistical analysis. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Simplify data interpretation. Explanation. Data visualization uses charts, graphs, and tables to present data clearly. It helps researchers quickly understand patterns, relationships, and trends in complex datasets. Question 10. What is the main goal of evidence-based healthcare? A. Follow traditional practices. B. Base decisions on research evidence. C. Reduce patient documentation. D. Increase administrative work. Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is B. Base decisions on research evidence. Explanation. Evidence-based healthcare integrates research findings, clinical expertise, and patient preferences to make informed healthcare decisions and improve patient outcomes. Thank you for watching. For more practice questions, subscribe to our website at wgupracticequestions.com.